In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Webflow workspace. Whether you're tidying up, reorganizing, or just want to start fresh, it's a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together step by step to ensure you're completely confident and clear about everything involved. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, enter Webflow into the search bar. You're looking for the link that takes you directly to the Webflow login or sign up page. Go ahead and click on Login/Sign Up to enter your workspace. Now, if you already have a Webflow account, you'll just need to follow the prompts to log in using your existing credentials. In case you don't have an account yet and want to create one, follow the available instructions to sign up and set up your account. Once you've successfully logged in or signed up, you'll be taken to your workspace. The workspace is your control center in Webflow, where all your projects and settings live. Once inside your workspace, look for the Settings option. This is typically located in a sidebar, though it might slightly vary based on updates to Webflow's interface. Within the Settings menu, there will be a section labeled General. Selecting General will bring up a range of options related to your workspace settings. Here's where the key step comes in. In the General settings, you'll find the option to Archive Workspace. Clicking on this will initiate the process of deleting your workspace by archiving it, making it inactive and out of your current project list. But don't worry, you'll have one final opportunity to confirm this decision. When you click on Archive Workspace, Webflow may prompt you one last time to confirm your intentions. This is a safety measure to ensure that you're absolutely sure about making this change. If you're ready to proceed, simply select Yes or Delete as per the prompt. Be aware that deleting a workspace is a significant action that removes the workspace and its associated projects from Webflow, so make sure this is what you truly want to do. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Webflow workspace. Remember, following these steps should make the process smooth and efficient. If you ever decide to return to Webflow and need to set up a new workspace, you can always repeat the earlier steps to establish a fresh environment. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to revisit any part of this guide if you need to in the future.